Hi, I'm Ray. This is Gardening Online, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some flowers and some DIY projects. Today, we've come down, we're going to plant our Charlotte potatoes. We've been chitting in the shed, and they've got quite healthy red chits, and we're going to plant these into the ground. But we're not going to do the traditional way. We're putting them in a no-dig bed. This is our no-dig bed. So this is the bed we're going to be using, and it's my no-dig bed. And this was used for the Vegemite bed, and it's got a layer of manure, a layer of cardboard, and a layer of compost. And it's just been used as no-dig for the last 2 years. And we had great success when we did the Vegemite bed book with the potatoes. And we're just going to fill this up with the Charlotte potatoes. Charlotte was one of my best potatoes that we've done. So I want to get some in the ground and get them in this no-dig bed, and we can see how they go. So time to clear up this bed and get going. So we've just laid these out 11 inches wide, 11 inches between each potato, and we're just pushing them in to the top of the soil and then just mounding on the top. And when they pop through, we can mound it a little bit more. So we're going to do some of this winter squash. This was the one that come with the 3 magazines, and it comes with 10 seeds. So what I'm going to do for this one is just going to get a square pot, get some multi-purpose compost, and we get our seeds. These come in a foil. This is the seeds. Pretty much look like butternut squash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8. 2 more inside. So there's 10. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put 6, and I'm going to just put them on their side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll just put 6 in, and we're just going to save the rest. In case these don't work, we've got a spare. And then we're going to put compost on top, and that's it. Job done. And we get a label: butternut squash, Waltham. As we're at the 1st, 2nd of April. Good time to get it going. So that's going to go on my tray. The Russian sunflowers, we got 15 seeds in these packets. So what I'm doing with these is getting their individual pots, and I'm just going to put 1 in each pot, and they can stay in there until they sprouted. So let's have a look. This is Russian Giant, and it's easy to grow, and this one doesn't actually come in a packet, but they come in different colours and different shapes, so it's hard to tell which one would be a giant. Hopefully they should all be, but who knows. So I'm just popping a hole in the middle of each one. I'm putting 1 seed in each. We're going to cover compost, and then these are going to go onto the tray of water, so they can go water. And then, not forgetting the label. So they're going to go onto my potting tray, and we can watch these grow. So these are sunflowers, and as you can see, the roots coming out the bottom now. So we're just going to transfer these into a bigger pot. You can see the good roots. I'm just going to move them up into an individual pot. I'm just going to take one plant and put it in his own pot. Just like that. And we're going to do the same with the rest. This one's got two, it's got a smaller one with it, but I'll just put them together. They seem to be friends. So these sunflowers are going to go along the front of the border of the allotment garden. Going to make a great display. And one more. It's looking really healthy. There we go. 4 sunflowers potted up. The violets are still a bit wet outside. Just thought I'll have a go transplanting some of my lettuces. And these are lettuce all year round, and they've been in the polytunnel here growing, and I'm just took a bunch out of my tray, and we're just separating them, and we're just planting them individually in the polytunnel, and they can go on from here. I'm going to do 2 rows side by side, and we'll do another row here. I'm just grabbing that bunch, separating them, and putting it in. Finger dibber. There we go. Nice job to do, and it's raining outside. And we've still got loads left. This is the first of the lettuce planted in the tunnel. All we need now is a label, lettuce all year round. And we've still got lots left, and we look forward to that. So, thank you for watching. We've got a few jobs done. We've got the potatoes in, we've done a few pots. We've also cleared some of the polytunnel, but that would be great. So what have you been doing over Easter? Let me know in the comments. So back to work again now, so hope you have all good Easter, and enjoy the rest of the holidays. Thank you very much. Cheers.